Most people use AI exclusively as a smart search engine. They type a question, get a text response, and close the tab, leaving the tool's capacity as an interconnected assistant completely untapped. We are going to migrate your workflow to Claude and configure it to act as a dedicated employee, one that understands your specific preferences and operates your software for you. Over the next 5 minutes, we will extract your existing context from ChatGPT, inject it into Claude, connect your email and calendar data, and enable desktop automation. To complete this process, you need 3 things ready: an active ChatGPT account with your saved history, a Claude Pro or Mac subscription, and the Claude desktop app installed on your Mac or PC. By the end of these steps, you will have a fully automated operating system built around your daily workflow. Step 1 is extracting the personalized context you have already built up inside ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT, click your profile picture, navigate to the Personalization tab, and ensure that both Saved Memories and Chat History are toggled to the On position. Extracting this data using the default AI model will miss important details because it only scans the surface of your account. To retrieve your complete context, switch your model selection to the Thinking model. This forces the system to run deeper retrieval cycles across your entire chat history. Paste the provided extraction prompt directly into the chat bar and hit Enter. The system will parse your history and compile your personal context into a single code block. Click the copy icon in the top right corner of that block. Your working history is now securely copied to your clipboard and ready for transport. Now, open your Claude AI account to inject that context. Click your profile icon in the bottom left. Go to Settings, open the Capabilities tab, and click the button labeled Import Memory from Other AI Providers. Paste the code block you copied from ChatGPT into the prompt box and click Start Import. Claude formats that raw data into clean, categorized memories. You can read through these entries and click the pen icon to manually edit or correct any details. Claude now holds the specific preferences and instructions you built up in your previous tool. Next, we give Claude access to your live information using connectors. In the Claude sidebar, navigate to Customize, click Connectors, and log into your Gmail and Google Calendar accounts. Claude only accesses this data when you explicitly ask it to in a prompt. It respects your existing Google permissions and pulls only the minimum information required to answer requests. To test it, ask Claude to review your schedule and search your inbox for threads. The interface generates a response with direct citations. You can click these links to open the original email or calendar event in a new tab for verification. Claude can now search your inbox and manage your calendar directly, eliminating the need for you to dig through those apps manually. The final step gives Claude the ability to physically control your computer screen. This capability does not work in the Chrome browser. You must use the standalone Claude desktop app. Open the desktop app, go to Settings, select General, and toggle Computer Use to the On position. When a task requires a tool that lacks a direct connector, Claude will use your mouse and keyboard to open local applications, click menus, and type text exactly like a human operator. The setup is complete. You now have a digital proxy capable of executing tasks across your local machine. We can prove the system works by assigning it a complex, multi-application job. Inside the desktop app, I instruct Claude to check my Gmail for the latest sales report, open a local Excel file to chart that data, and then find an open time on my calendar tomorrow to review it. Claude initiates the workflow by securely pulling the email data and checking calendar availability using the Google connectors. Then it takes over the screen. It physically moves the desktop cursor, opens Excel, pastes the data, and builds the chart. Your AI is now a responsive, integrated operating system that executes work directly on your machine. In our next video, we will expand this setup by building custom repeatable skills and organizing your workflows into dedicated projects.